directions on a map. There are four directions: east, west, north, south direction. Laila come to Malika's home side with the help of sketch map. With the help of sketch map, but there is some delay because of that. Malika is not mentioned the distance from bus stand to her home there. She is not mentioned that like how many kilometers, how many meters. So today we are discussing scale, distance on a map. Why we are used that like a scale, preparing on a map? What purpose? On this pleasant evening, Malika took the Laila to see the village stream and they walked over that like a bridge. Generally, in mathematics also we use that like a scale guide to use it for the purpose of measurement. Any place also right? To find out that like to find out the length of that like two places also right? That is the purpose to use it. Scale. We know scale also that like 0 to 15 centimeters, 0 to 30 centimeters. In order that like yes compass also right? Okay, so that is the purpose that they use it like a scale guide while preparing maps. So in really we are not drawn it like a real things on a map. We reduce it like a distance also there. We are not mentioned the total area on a map there. We reduce it like a distance on that map also there. With the help of scale there. For example, like a 1 centimeter equal to that like a 10 kilometers. Sometimes it is also that like a today that like a 1 centimeter equal to that like a 100 kilometers. Sometimes it is that like a 1 centimeter equal to that like a 1000 kilometers also. When we have to calculate that like what is a gold map at the time, we reduce the distance side and also to use that like a this scale 1 centimeter equal to like a 1000 kilometers, 1000 kilometers side. So here Malika took that like a Malika took Laila. So after Laila come to that like a Malika's house side. Now the Malika took that like a Laila to show that like a her totally village also. Totally we know that like the climate of that like village side. Streams also, bridges also, temples also there. Like some different types of that like houses also there. We are finding village side. So one pleasant evening, Malika took Laila to see the village stream and they walked over the bridge side. The bridge has 6 lamp posts at equal distance. The distance between the each post is about that like 100 meter. The entire length of that like bridge is about 500 meter. So here they give it like bridge also there. This is the bridge side. This is also in that like the place of that like Hyderabad there. So Laila and Malika walking on bridge also there. This is the bridge. There is a bridge side. This is the bridge. This is the S bridge. Okay, so this is one lamp. Totally here six lamps. Six lamps here are the like okay, so this is the like another pole, and this is the like yes another pole. Like this is that like so another pole, or that like this is that like yes like this. So they are that like when they are walking across that like these bridge also right, this yes bridge also right. There is a how we have that like to measure that like these bridge. How we are measured this bridge side. How we are measured it like this bridge side. Yes, with the help of scale. With the help of scale guide. So for the purpose of to calculate like the place of the length, to use the scale while preparing maps. While preparing map side. So from one pole to another pole to third pole to fourth pole to fifth pole to sixth pole there. Yes, pole there, sixth pole, like here there. This is the like yes, from one pole to another pole there is a yes 100 meters. Here that like 100 meters, 100 meters, 100 meters, 100 meters. So totally the bridge like yes 500 meters of the total length meters 500 meters the total length of bridge, the total length of bridge. Why that like that these 500 meters are converted into that like a map giant? We show that like yes 5 centimeters, meaning 1 centimeter equal to that like yes, what is it? 1 centimeter equal to 100 meters. So 100 meters into that like how many poles are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So one lamp to that like another one day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like yes. So totally the bridge length first pole to the like yes is for the 500 meters. 500 meters. So here 500 means 5 centimeters. So like that, by preparing map, the length also there to reduce it in a map pointing. To reduce it in a map pointing, right? So here they look at it like the following here that they came like a back Laila want to draw the like a sketch map of that like a bridge and the lamp post on a paper, so they can take with her when she is drawing that like a lamp post, she took care to draw them at the equal distance. The distance between the first and the last lamp post was about that like a 5 centimeter. Her sketch was much smaller than to that like a actual bridge. So her sketch was much smaller than the actual distance. So the actual distance, we are not draw any map there. We reduce the actual distance. Meters to the centimeters also, right? Meters to centimeters. So the actual distance are reduced on the map. Meters centimeter, meters to the centimeters. So after come to the Laila and Malika, they come to the their home also there. Yes, they draw the sketch map of the bridge like this, and also they mentioned it what is that? 6 lamp posts. 6 lamp posts with it one lamp pole to the another lamp pole. They mentioned it equal distance. They mentioned a equal distance. Every one pole to another pole there is a, yes, they mentioned it 100 meters. And next one, second one to third one 100 meters. Third one to the fourth one to the fifth one to yes, sixth one there. Here 500 meters. 500 meters. So this is the actual distance on the yes, the bridge length. When we draw the these actual length in a map, that to take it a lot of space. To take a lot of space also there. That's why we reduce it these meters into centimeters. This 500 meters reduce it into 5 centimeters in maps. We are not drawing the actual distance on a map. We reduce it actual distance. So here, yes, this is the Laila sketch of the map here. The Laila sketch of map there. Measure the total distance in a Laila model from the lamp post 1 to the 6 lamp post. What is the distance between the 2 lamp posts? Yes, from here to here 100 meters. 100 meters. So here you can thus see that the actual distance between the 2 lamp on the bridge is 100 meters. And the total distance between the first to last lamp post is 500 meters. While on the sketch, the distance between the 2 lamp posts is only what is it? 1 lamp post to another lamp post 1 centimeters after 1 centimeters so here 1 centimeters to draw in sketch map. Okay, so here previously the bridge one pole to another pole is 100 centimeter. After that to draw that the sketch map in that yes map there, the 100 centimeters reduced into that 1 centimeter. The 100 meters converted into that yes 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to that 100 meters. So like that, to draw that like the braid into that like a sketch map there, to reduce the distance in a sketch map also there, we can write down that like a relation between the distance on that like a braid in the sketch and that like a following 5 centimeters on the sketch map equal to that like a 500 meters. 1 centimeter on the sketch map is that like a 100 meters on that like a braid side. So this is called a scale. 5 centimeters on the sketch map equal to 500 meters. 500 meters. 1 centimeters on the sketch map 1 centimeters on that like a equal to 100 meters. 100 meters. So that like a this is the 1 centimeters on sketch map is the meters on that like a is braided. This is called scale. Means here we reduce the actual distance in a map there. 100 centimeters reduced into 1 centimeter. So that is the purpose to use that like a scale while preparing map. Maps. So any map maker also compulsory they use it like a scale. They use a scale and to measure that like a distance from one place to another one there. And also to show that like a distance on a map with the help of scale there. So we use the scale for that like a showing the actual distance on the ground in to reduce the manner on a map. So here we use scale for showing the actual distance, the actual distance on the ground distance on the ground to reduce manner on a map. So this is called like a scale. What is that? We use the scale for the showing the actual distance on the ground to reduce manner on a map. So this is called like a scale. So another one also that like a, for example that like a take to like a Srikakulam right. Maps always mention that like a scale they use and we can find that like a actual distance between the places using the scale also there. Scale we find out that like a this with a we use scale for to find to find out a actual distance on a map. That is the purpose also we use that to show you that like an actual distance we use it like a to show you that like actual distance on a ground, reduce the manner on a map. That is the purpose to use it like a scale there. And also another use that in the help of like a scale to find out that like the actual distance on a map also there. That is purpose we use a scale there. Example here that they provided like a Tekali to Srikakulam in the above scale. The distance between the like Srikakulam Tekali is given in that like from that like a line there. The actual distance between these places is like 50 kilometers. Now let us to solve this one. Measure the line join that like two places. The actual distance between the Srikakulam and Tekali 50 kilometers. Distance between the Srikakulam and Tekali on the like a map. Okay, here this is the like a Tekali, and this is the like a Srikakulam. This is the like a actual distance 50 km. 50 km. How do we show that like these actual distance are that like a map pointing there? So like here we use the scale. We use the scale also there. So one like that is also converted in these kilometers also that like converted into that like centimeters. Converted into centimeters. So 1 centimeter equal to that like 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers. So we have that like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like here 10 kilometers, 10 kilometers, 10 kilometers are that like 10 kilometers. This is also another one guy. Here that like 10 kilometers. Totally like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means here this is also 1 centimeter. This is also that like 2 centimeter. This is that like S1. This is also 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. Finally this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally that like while preparing that like a map also there. Preparing that like a map also. Yes, we show that like a distance between that like a Tekali to that like a Srikakulam 5 centimeters. Means that the 50 kilometer distance reduced into centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to that 10 kilometers. 1 centimeter equal to 10 kilometers. So like that we reduce the actual distance on the ground to reduce on manner on the map there. So here the 50 kilometers from Tekali to Srikakulam. 50 kilometers. This is the actual distance. The actual distance of the actual distance from Tekali to Srikakulam is equal 50 kilometers. So while preparing map to reduce the actual distance, to reduce the actual distance on map. So here this is also that like a 5 centimeter. That means 1 centimeter equal to that like a 10 kilometers. So here that like a 10 kilometers into that like a 5 centimeters that like a yes like a here 1 centimeter 2 3 4 5 is equal to 50 km. Like that we calculated, we measured that to find out the distance between the like two places also that with the help of scale. With the help of scale there. So here now try to look at that like the district map to find out that like a scale there. Yes, our map makers also to use it like a scale also there. Like that we measure that like s equal to that like Ongolu also we find that like what is that distance also we find that like equal to that like what is that Hyderabad equal to that like Vijayawada. Yes, with the help of that like a scale we find the distance that like two places. That's why map makers they use the scale to find out to reduce the distance also to show like a map there. And to find out that like yes distance between that like two places. Next topic, next one symbols. What's the next one? Like symbols. Next one symbols. Next one symbols. Next topic symbols. Every map maker also they use it like a symbols. Every map maker they use the symbols. Their own symbols are called that like a conventional symbols, common symbols. Like here, what is the purpose we use that like a symbol? That is also why that like the map makers also they are use that like these symbols while preparing maps. Why they are shown the symbols in that like a maps? You know that the maps are too small for us to draw the pictures on that like things show on them. What is it? Maps are too small. We know very well that like yes that A4 sheet also like A4 sheet there. So the map are too small for us to draw a pictures on. Maps are too small for us to draw pictures. Pictures of the things. Of the things show on them. So here, how is the map there? Yes, this is that like a map also that like a this type. This is that like a yes map. This is that yes we find that like here also there is a yes not only that like a Prakasam district or that like a what is that yes we see that like a yes Prakasam district also there. Or that like India also Andhra Pradesh also there. Yes we show that like what is that entire that like yes world also there. enter what is it? Like here there is a yes Greenland, and like what is all like a this is the like a South America. What is it? South America. This is like South America. Or that like a here this is that like a Europe. Europe and that like a here there is a Africa, and also this is that like a what is that? Yes, Asia, and like a here and here there is a yes Australia, and like a yes this is that like a yes Antarctica there. So we see that maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 continents. 7 yes continents on. So what is it? Maps are too small for us to draw a pictures of that like a to show on that like a real things. To show on that what is that? Real things. For example, we cannot draw that like a real school or that like a bus stand or that like a Malika's house. What is it? Maps are too small. We cannot draw the real pictures. Like school, like what is that? School, bus stand, railway station, yes, station, or etc. also there. So we cannot draw that like a real pictures on that like a map there. Why we are not draw that like a real pictures on that like a map there? Already we know that. How is that like a that maps are too small there. How it is possible to draw that like a yes real thing? In case that like a we draw that like our school, yes, our school map also there. This is what is that? Only one portion to occupy that like a total yes map also there. Total map there. So that's why we are not draw that like a real pictures on the map, because of the maps are too small, and also these real pictures also to occupy that like a lot of space. When we draw the pictures, draw the real school, comma, bus stand, to take lots of space, to take lot of space on the like to occupy the like a lot of space. That's why we cannot draw the real pictures on the map there. We cannot draw the real pictures on the map. Understand that? So why that like symbols? Why that like map makers also they use it like a symbols by preparing maps there. Maps are too small. Maps are too small there for us. Maps are too small for us to draw the pictures on that like things. Show on them there. So here we cannot draw that like a real pictures. Example of that like a school also, bus stand also, railway station also, that like a hospitals. That's why we show that like with the help of that like a symbols. And also these real things also where we draw that like a real things on that like a map there. To take on the to occupy lot of space on the map. That's why with the help of the symbols we show the places on your map. That's why we use it like a symbols while preparing maps, right? and also like the real school or like a bus stand. Malika's house has the able to take much space on the map. Therefore, we always show the things on the like a map with the help of the symbol. Therefore, we always show things on a map. Show things on a map with the help of symbols. For example, we have mentioned that like this picture also that like what this is the map that we draw that like what is a police station. That's why here that like we have mentioned that like or not also here that like a PS. Okay, like here we have mentioned that like a SRS railway station. Like we show that like a yes here there is a one thing also. Here this is also like a church and like a here there is a what is that? This is that like a yes temple. What is that? Yes temple there. We show that like a things with the help of symbols. So the map makes us to show that like a real things on your map that with the help of symbols. So you may have a notice that is that like a district map places and towns are showing that like a dots and like a circles. How is it? Like a in a district map, we show that like a symbols in district map to show the towns, comma, mandals and villages. So with the help of dots or circles. Dots are circles. Okay, these two symbols with the help of dot or circle symbols. Okay, towns and cities, villages also there. Okay, after we go to the like a higher classes also there, like a 8th class, the map makers also they use that like a different colors, colors also there to show that like the height of that like a place also there, and that like a that like a mountain side, plateau heights, grassland there, plains there, like a capitals there, or cities there, or like a states or municipalities, that like a rainfall there, desert there, everything there. They show up that like a map with the help of that like a symbol side. In our like atlas also there. We find that like a dot also there. Dot. It is also to find out that like a dot and like a what is it? Around that like a dot also there is our circle. This is called also to show the capital. What is that? Capital. That is to represent capitals. Capital. And also we find that like one place to another place, between these two places also we find that like between a border like a yes border between two places, between two places. So like that the map makers, they show that like a things with the help of that like a symbols on map side. So in here the in district map we show that like the cities, villages with the help of dots and circle side. Another one we see like a village also plants also, houses also, hospitals also, banks also roads also, wells also, chests also, temples also, mosques also everything they are mentioned like a yes in a map with the help of everything also to represent like the information about the particular place with the help of symbols. Example of that like here they provide that like here what is this is the like a settlement. This is the symbols. This symbol this is settlement. Settlement means that like what is that? To live there. Settlements. Some symbols. This is the settlement side, and also like a yes, this is a meter gauge railway, meter gauge railway and next one that like for example like yes, this is also that like this is to represent that like a tank and next one broad gauge. This is that like a yes, this is the broad gauge railway. We see that like here there is a yes, this is a meter gauge railway line. This is a broad gauge railway line. You see that like these types of line also there. And next one, when we see that like in map that like a PS means police station. Or that like a PO, post office side. And also we find that like a trees also there. This is the symbol like a this is the lady yes, trees. Okay, next one, this is Pakka road. Yes, road. This is like a Pakka road in our various also right. Pakka roads. So here this is all like yes, temples also, mosques also, churches also there. These are all like yes, symbols. These symbols they are used while preparing maps. The map maker. Yes, schools also there. Like here, they provided like what they are that like mentioned into that like the village map. They are all there. In index also we are finding each and everything to represent that like yes, particular information. Right? This is the settlement. Means people live here only. This is that like a meter gauge railway. This is that like a yes, tank, water tank, major like yes, to find out that like a water tank. This is broad gauge railway line. PS, police station, post office, and like RS railway station. Yes, these are the trees. This is the like a Paka road. So the dots are like a circle. Map makers prepare the symbols appropriately to their needs. Today, yes, they say the map makers prepare the symbols appropriately. So when they need, when prepare it like a maps also they are that like they use the map. Without there is no using or that no need to that like they are not using. But some common symbols which are called that like a conventional symbols. Some common symbols. Some common symbols which are called conventional symbols. Conventional symbol. Every map makers also they have like their own symbol to prepare it like any map also there. Here they use it like a common symbols also there. General symbols. Every map maker, right? They use it like the common symbols. So like this, map makers they use it like a symbol side, and also the following is that like a complete. The map is that like a symbol and scale, appropriate that like a orientation. Here that like a this is that like a one map also there. What it is? Yes, map there. They mentioned that like a with a distance. They mentioned that like a distance also there. They mentioned that like a broad gauge line. They mentioned that like a meter gauge and like a settlements also there, school also there, and like a railway line also there. And next one what is that? Open land, tank, okay, railway station, police station, right? Okay, and like so this is all they are mentioned in a map there. So with the help of that like a symbols. Okay, so why they are that like use that like a symbols? Because we cannot draw that like a real pictures on the railway station, bus station, or that like a school, or that like a temple, because it's occupied like a lot of space. It's occupied like a much space there. That's why that place to show on the map with the help of that like a symbols. With the help of symbols. So every map maker after we go to that like a higher classes also today, we find that like the map makers to use that like different map makers. So symbols to represent the places. Symbols to giving the information particularly about that like places also there. To easily to identify that like places. To easily to identify places also there. With the help of your travel that like this one also there. We arrange that like places also there. Study the map to find out how to use that like these symbols. These symbol how to use for the purpose of information there. To collect the information, to know the places, to know the areas. Okay, to find out the distance also we use that like scale also. So these are all symbols. Some of that like the persons also they use that like their own symbols. Those are called common or that like conventional symbols. What is that? Some common symbols which are called conventional symbols. Every map maker they use. Like here they mention that like a distance also from north to south, east to west also there. And like here we measure that like these railway line also that like how many kilometers, how many meters also there. How many centimeters also there? Generally the actual distance reduced in a map that map we reduce that like a yes kilometers into the centimeters. Kilometers into centimeters, right? So these are the like here the for example like here the that's our question. What are in which direction of that like a churches the river flowing? In which direction of that like a church is the river flowing? So the church is that like a west side, that like a the river is flowing that like a east of the church, east of the church side. What kind of the roads to present on that like a south of that like a yes Siripuram village Pakka roads. This is the yes they find that like a Pakka roads in that like a yes this village also Siripuram village. And also which type of that like a railway line located that like near Siripuram there. There is a yes two lines. One is that like a meter gauge railway line in that like a Siripuram there. Our nearest we go to that like a Vattapalam or that like a Cherala Pradam there. We find that like a yes there is a yes railway line also there. There is a yes railway line. We find that like a yes trains also there. The train route also the train yes route also there. In which direction of the railway station? Which direction of the railway station is that like a police station? In which direction of a railway station is the police station there? So railway station is that like a police station. In which direction of? This is that like a yes, this is the west direction. This is that like a east direction there. And like a yes railway station to that like a police station that like a yes west direction there. And also name the villages that lies north to that like a railway track. Siripuram village. This is that like a Siripuram village. So imagine you are at like a school also there. Yes. Here we find that like a school exactly that like a is mostly the middle of village side or like exactly the side of that like a Pakka road or that like a some near to that like a post office. What is that? Post office side. So this is information about that like a symbols. This is about that like a information about symbols, right? Next one. So when they provided like this sketch map also there to know the lot of information about that like a yes. For example, we draw that this is all there. Here they provided like one Siripuram village map there. Each and everything also there. They provided. Where is the railway station? Where is it like a school also? Where is the tank also there? Which direction to that like a church also there? Railway station, police station. When we see that like this information to identify that like places there, to know that like to understanding that places, means the symbols to represent that like information about that particular yes place, particular place also there. So this is so everyone to draw that like the sketch of that like a map also there. Your school or that like your house also there. Your yes villages. Everyone to draw that. We use that like what is first one scale and next one symbols. Here also they use it like what is it scale also symbols also they are used. Okay, everyone to follow this one then. So these are the first one. We see the like a reading and making map. Reading and making map. We read that map and making that like a map also there. Our classroom, which direction? Beside that like a windows, beside that like a the gate, that door also. How many benches in that like a classroom also there? Where is the blackboard? Where is the fans also there? Shelves also there? Seats also there? Each and everything. Yes, we are finding that like a, and this one also there. Okay. So directions also there. We find that like a directions also in this lesson. And also that like how we are traveled there. The two friends like Laila and Malika side. And how they are that like a 50 meters bridge also converted into that like a centimeters. That is also we are discussing. That meters also converted into centimeters. Okay. Directions also there. This picture is like north, south, east, west. There is a subdirections also there. Northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast. There is a yes subdirections also there. And also here that like a some Lalita is towards that like a direction of the John. There is a given some questions also there. There is some question. Lalita is towards the John. For example, like yes, this is the Lalita Jai. Where is the John? John like we find that like a John Jai. Here like a Lalita is toward to direction of that like a John. So John and that like a Lalita is toward the John and that like a north direction there. North direction. And next one that like here that Uttara towards that the direction of the like yes Nazir like yes northeast direction there. And that like Somu like Somu is towards that like which direction of that like yes Lakshman train. What is that? Lakshman like yes west direction there. And also that like Shekhar is towards that like yes Ramu in which direction there? East direction like this. We find that like yes directions also there. Nazir is in the west direction of Shekhar there. Nazir is also towards that like dash direction of Ramu. Okay, east direction there.